Cardano has not been around very long. But if you've paid attention, you know it promises more than most other cryptocurrencies can right now. Today's Cardano crypto price prediction makes that clear. Let me explain. Often, when you go to buy anything at a brick-and-mortar store, you slide your card through a card reader made by NCR Corp, formerly known as National Cash Register. Sometimes, you might ask the cashier if their store takes Bitcoin. This can be hit or miss, most often a miss. After all, who wants to trade Bitcoin if you have to wait a half hour for the blockchain confirmation? One of the biggest thorns in cryptocurrencies' side has been the slow adoption. Transactions take a while, governments are not so hot on it, and banks have mixed feelings. You need to look no further than recent events to see why Bitcoin lost about half its peak value. The crypto recently came under fire by lawmakers not being so eco-friendly. China has begun to crack down on cryptocurrency, and who knows what Elon Musk will tweet next. But all of this can be good news for coins that are the real deal. In fact, Cardano has climbed 733% since the start of the year while other tokens circle the drain. Why? Due to being one of the most ecological friendly cryptocurrencies out there. And Cardano is one of the greatest examples of crypto adoption to date. That's why the outlook is so hopeful for Cardano over the next 5 years. Cardano crypto price prediction for 2021. While Bitcoin appears to have fallen about 40% in 2021, the altcoins have followed. Well, all except for ADA Crypto. Cardano is a top performer this year, soaring from 10 cents to $2 in a matter of weeks. The fact that the stock moves counter to the broader crypto market is a good sign for the coin. But that is just the tip of the iceberg, which is why many Cardano crypto price predictions are so bullish. As you can see, Reddit provides the top prediction, aiming at $10. This was the subject of a mass vote that took place on the social media site. Considering how Reddit has moved stocks in the last year, the Reddit vote could say more than just any analyst projection. Of course, what makes Cardano different from a Reddit stock is that it potentially has more to offer than simply the hype factor. Despite the fact that Cardano was created to be the Ethereum killer, the token's growth will depend on similar partnerships developing in the future. And it's not unrealistic when you really consider what Cardano actually does. This is not your ordinary token. In my opinion, Cardano currently has some of the most growth potentials from all old coins that I've talked about in my video before. Because Cardano operates on a proof-of-stake consensus model, which means that this allows ADA holders to stake their ADA in just like an Ethereum 2.0. Staking will allow ADA holders to put their ADA in the staking pool and get paid in rewards. The annual rate of 5 to 6% shows for holding. Now, for those of you who don't know already, Cardano is unique in that it is the first blockchain platform to emerge from a scientific ideology and research-first strategy. And it was also founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. Now the platform was established through peer review research, and the development team comprises a huge worldwide collective of skilled engineers and academics. Cardano, a blockchain platform that enables app systems and real-world commercial use cases, were launched in 2017, but like all other cryptocurrencies, there has still a long way to go in after many years of research and anticipation. The evolution of cryptocurrencies has been a little different, with most blockchains releasing it into the public and gradually being upgraded as new upgrades come too late. Now, Cardano is often referred to as the Ethereum killer, even though Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, has made it known that the only Ethereum killer is Ethereum 2.0. Another coordinate in claims that you're going to be adding a new industry standard for user experience on blockchain bridges. These are the kind of benefits Cardano's scientific method has brought to them. Not only that, but Cardano's most powerful communities. In addition to the game-changing collaborations and technological advances, the network security is being safeguarded, as over 71% of the total circulating supply of ADA has been stated, demonstrating the community's belief in the project successes. And staking your ADA is one of the best ways to earn some passive income. The Cardano community has made it known that they are extremely committed to the project, and it's one of the most powerful and loyal communities in the crypto world. Now Cardano is already expected to have a powerful smart contract ecosystem that will compete with Ethereum. Still 5 platforms. So one of the main catalysts that could help boost ADA's price is the upcoming protocol updates to its network. Upgrades are going to incorporate smart contracts and pave the door for it to be used more widely in centralized finance transactions. Cardano is also working on new features that will improve the utility and adoption of the cryptocurrency. For instance, The company just announced the introduction of a cross-chain bridge with the Nervous network. Not only that, but just in case you were not aware of yet, we are also able to accept ETO on different websites. Payments have integrated support for Cardano, which means that there are different plugins available for many different e-commerce solutions such as Shopify and WooCommerce. And the fact that Cardano utility is rising further just adds to everyone's full arguments. Cardano's network upgrades are not the only factor that might lead to the increased price, but weekly net flow are now insignificant in relation to the cryptocurrency's market value. But it's an indication that serious investors are beginning to take ADA a lot more seriously. And we may have analysts predicting that Cardano would hit an $8 to $10 price target by the end of this current bull cycle towards the end of 2020, 2021 into early 2022. And if you're wondering how to buy Cardano, Coinbase and Binance are the most user-friendly exchanges, and they offer a large range of cryptocurrencies, which will allow you to buy ADA the fastest and easiest. Because I know is the cryptocurrency that attempts to solve scalability, usability, and sustainability issues on the blockchain. And the first issue seemed movement internet works, which has resulted in heavy and really high transaction fees. Cardano includes on appears to be a highly interesting investment opportunity as of now, and it has been for the past few months. On a more realistic side, Cardano reaching the $10 mark might seem a little ambitious, and even if it doesn't happen in this current bull cycle, I do believe that Cardano will head that $10 mark at some point within the next 5 years. It's going to take some time, but if the right adjustments are made and Cardano follows the roadmap, then it can't be done. Cardano has one of the largest market caps. It has a large volume of daily transactions, indicating that it is a popular cryptocurrency among every single investor. And despite frequent price drops, Cardano's value has been steadily increasing over the last 4 years. Cardano has a ton of supporters who believe in its long-term potential, but also has the ability to reach new all-time highs, which I believe will happen right after smart contracts are available on the blockchain. Yes, the feature might seem bright, but just keep in mind that cryptocurrency equals volatility in the market. And without a doubt, we are going to be seeing a lot more drops in the market. So as always, it's always better to look at cryptocurrency investments for the long term. Cardano price prediction 2021. As this year is preceded by the mining event, there should be a bullish trend driving the coin to continue throughout the month of January to April 2021. In January 2021, the price of Cardano was around $0.35, and then it marked a massive hike and crossed $0.91 in February. And further, the coin continued to trade upwards and marked an all-time high at $1.56. So, the Cardano price continued to trade above the $1 mark from the last few weeks. Recently, in the previous week, the ADA price shooting above $1.20 with a circulating supply of 31 billion ADA. Cardano price prediction 2022. The bullish trend for ADA price started in the previous year, 2020, and throughout 2021 will continue going forward into 2022. Somewhere between the years 2021 and 2022, an all-time high price surge of ADA could be seen, taking it to a higher point pegged at $20, followed by an immediate sharp correction by October 2022.